Hi everyone, this is a series of videos that goes over the homework on z-scores and area under the curve. Okay, so this is for problem 1. So using the unit normal table, find the proportion under the standard normal curve that lies to the right of each of the following. Okay, so what we're looking for here is an area that is to the right of whatever the value is. All right, so on this first one, it says what area under the curve, the proportion under the curve, is to the right of a z of 1. All right, so on your z, okay, your z-scores, the mean has a z of 0, 1, 2, 3 above, -1, -2, -3 below. So it asked us for the area under the curve that has a z-score of 1. All right, so what you have to do is get out the chart, and this is the area we're looking for here. So if you were to shade it in, it looks like this column right here. So this is the column we want, area beyond z. Okay, so the value is 1, so a z of 1. Okay, so on our chart here, it's actually going to be way down here, a z of 1 right here. Okay, the area beyond the z is 0.15866, so 0.15866, so I would say that is 15.87%. Okay, that's the first one, 15.87%. All right, then the second one says the area to the right of a z of -1.05. So for this one, it's a little bit more complicated because you've got to get this area and then everything that way. So it's looking, what is the area to the right? So you want all of this up here. Hold on a second. All right, so you want all of this. All right, well, this part right here is 50%. Okay, so we're really looking for this space, and then we're going to add it to 50% to get everything else. All right, so with a z of, you have to go back to the 1, but now it's the negative side. All right, so -1.05. And the area, but area is just always positive, right? So this area here between our z of 1.05 and the mean, so a z of 1.05 and our mean right there is 0.35315. Okay. So 0.35315. Okay, so that percentage is then going to be 35.32%. Okay, so this is 35.32%, but remember we asked for everything. So it's 50% plus 35.32%. So you've got 85.32%. That's the correct answer for B. All right. Now C up here asks us, so C says z of -280, everything to the right. So again, you're going to go, what is this area? And then this is 50% again, right? So what is 2.80? And we want the area between mean and z. It's going to be way at the end because it's almost to the end of the chart, only goes to 4. So 2.80 here, and we want the area between the mean and z is 0.49753. Okay, so this is 0.497744. So, 49.74%. 49.74% plus 50. So 49.74 plus 50, right? So you've got 99.74%. Okay. Okay, that's C. Keep going here. All right, so then D asks us for a Z of 0. Okay, this one's kind of a, oh, did I do it right? Number 1. Yes, for a Z of 0. And it says everything to the right, right? Well, this is a trick question, kind of. Everything to the right of this is 50%. Okay. And then the last one is E, says a Z of positive 1.96. So what is the area beyond that? 1.96. All right, here we are. 1.96, and we're looking for the last column, the one like this. So 1.96, this column is 0.0250. 0.0250. So 0.0250 or 2.50%. Okay. All right. So that is all the ones. You don't need to fill them in on here if you do this, or you've got to show where you got your work at some point if you want help. So the answers for this would be 15.87, 85.32, 99.74, 50%, and 2.5%. Okay. All right, that's number 1.